Hello dear friends, today we'll see some sample footage with and without the Tiffen Black Pro Mist filter. In the end, I will tell you my thoughts about it after I have used it extensive in paid jobs for the past year. So, this is my final thoughts about the Black Pro Mist filter. I believe it's a great tool, and it can give you a filmic look. It's a great piece of equipment, a tool for a specific look. Please remember not to shoot at night in bright lights and move the camera. If you do it, hold your framing stationary. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and like.